The following segment is sponsored by Northern Nevada Health System.
We're here at Northern Nevada Health System with Dr. Bejal Patel, who is focused on kids' health, pediatrics, and this time of year we think cold and flu season, right?
Right.
The kids are back in school. What are your concerns when it comes to flu season this year? When does flu season start?
So they're looking at CDC put out recommendations that the flu season is likely to start in October and will peak between December through February and then probably round out around May.
And that's fairly typical, right? That time frame typically,
Right.
and we're coming up against that as we're here in the middle of September.
Right.
So do you have tips for managing cold flu symptoms and preventing the illness?
General pediatrics teaches us, as Ben Franklin said, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure.
Yeah.
So we recommend that you go out and get your vaccines, your preventative vaccines, flu vaccine, make sure you're up to date with your COVID vaccines, and then just even general immunizations. And then it's important because in school you're likely to be exposed to viral illnesses, and it's important to make sure that you stock up for supplies, things like antipyretics, cold medications, making sure that you have electrolyte containing solutions at home, plenty of fluids to offer kiddos when they get sick.
And you recommend having all that in one place and then knowing what your stock is. It's easier to take stock in your stock, right?
Right, exactly. Because last year we butted on running out of simple things like formula or supplies because everybody rushed out to the stores to get their supplies, and
So get it now ahead of the curve in the month of September for sure.
Yeah.
And what didn't Ben Franklin do, by the way? And then when should someone seek care at an ER or urgent care? When does it cross that threshold where they need to come into the hospital, do you think?
Right. It's important to make sure, if we're at that point where we're having trouble breathing, we're having trouble keeping down fluids, we're sitting at fever out a few days and not getting better, you should seek help.
Yeah, and we've seen COVID cases on the rise starting in October, so maybe here we go again, right?
Right.
Yeah. Dr. Patel, good to see you. Really appreciate it, and let's keep those kids healthy. And if you want more information on doing just that, just go to our website, foxreno.com.